What's going on, guys? Lewis and Joy here for another one. Don't forget, as always, like, subscribe, comment if you have deals and you want to JV. Please comment. Let's work together.
Yes, sir.
So today we're talking about 3 main questions to ask title companies when you're vetting your title companies.
The first question is, do you blind the HUD? So will the title company send the seller a seller side HUD? If you're about to make a big assignment fee and you're nervous the seller is going to see it, you want to work with the title company that's going to blind the HUD. The second question is, do you send a prelim? Do you send a
Do you provide a preliminary HUD statement?
Do you provide a prelim to wholesalers? Some title companies, some attorneys don't do that, and you want to make sure that your seller's getting what you agreed to and your buyer's also paying the amount you agreed to, because sometimes they'll put some closing costs on the seller side, the seller will blow up. You don't want that to happen. And the third question is the most important question.
Ask them if they wire assignment fees or if it will be mailed to you.
You don't want mail check. Maybe you do, maybe, but like us, we do everything virtually. We don't want snail mail. We don't want the check to, over the weekend, it'll like delay this and that. We want the assignment fee wired to a same day as closing. If you ask those 3 questions, promise you're working with the Rockstar title company.
Now, if you guys want to learn more, you want to see this in action, you got to follow us and check us out on Patreon, where we're going to do this step by step, make it bulletproof for you. So check us out on our Patreon ASAP.
Peace.
Peace.